This is MFR Off-Road Rider back with another video. I'm down on the Pacific Ocean near Table Bluff, which is right out that way. Doing a little sand riding today. Practice a little bit on my soft sand, but it's been raining. It rained. We got about I don't know, over half an inch between yesterday and early this morning. But anyway, I'm on a trail just down at the bottom of Table Bluff. There's a road that goes all the way down the ocean there towards what is it, Crab Park, I think it is, on the other side of the slough here. But anyway, I'm up to 1144 subscribers. This will be my 422nd video. Yeah, they did some they did this control burn here. As you can see, they burned some of this, I don't know, dune grass or whatever. I don't know, it's supposed to do something, I don't know. But anyway, it's a controlled burn. They burned it. I don't know exactly why, but they said, I can't remember the reason, but anyway, I don't know whether they did it so that they could control the amount of grass or whatever. I don't know, like, I'm not sure. Some pretty good sized puddles though, that's for sure. But I want to thank all my viewers and subscribers for watching my videos. Give me a thumbs up, whoa, and all the positive comments, much appreciated. I got a email from oh, that looks pretty soupy there. I got an email from a motorcycle dealer in Sacramento. Said they got the new Royal Enfield Himalayan 452, I guess it is. Ooh, this looks really nasty, but it's got sand on the bottom, so that's good. Just don't know how deep it is. I guess I'll try to stay to the sides here. But anyway, I was considering going to try it out because it's on my radar, as well as the Ibex 450 MT CF Moto, and it'd sure be nice to get to ride both of them before you make a decision. I mean, I've heard such positive things about both of them that I'd like to get a chance to check them out myself as a test ride. But the problem is the dealer's like 5.5 hours away from where I live, so that's quite a jaunt to go test ride a bike. But I mean, it is kind of important. You invest good money, you should be able to test ride it. But I've never test rode any of the bikes I've bought, and I never regretted any of them. So, but it's still, these days you kind of need to. I mean, I watch all the reviews and everything and thoughts on YouTube, but they aren't paying the price for the bike either, you know. So the money's coming out of my own pocket, not out of a reviewer's pocket or whatever, you know. So, and they're just so close in capability and everything, and the CC's the same, the weight's about the same. There's so many things that are the same, other than one's a twin cylinder and the other one's a single. So yeah, that's the biggest difference. But I've heard such positive things about both of them that I definitely would like to ride them both, just to get make my own opinion, you know, because like I said, overall the money's coming out of my pocket. So know there's some horses out here somewhere. See the tracks, so I don't want to go too fast. Don't want to spook them. That's the only bad thing about riding out here is, see, there's some more burn area, but you don't want to spook the horses. I don't see them yet. Maybe they, whoa, are way off the trail or way ahead of me, hopefully. Oh boy. It's kind of nice having a little bit of moisture. I mean, this is quite a bit though. I've never seen this many puddles, and big puddles, but makes it a little bit easier to ride, but still soft in some areas, like right here. And the more you get off the main trail, the softer it gets. Like, a lot of people don't ride off these side roads as much as the main road. So let's see which way the horses went. The horses went that way, so I'm gonna go this way. I think this goes to the ocean part, I think. Let's see how packed down it is. Oh, there's some people. Where the heck they park at? I don't know where their vehicles. You see that goes right to the ocean there. I think I'm gonna turn around and find another trail. Oh, I better downshift. Oh, stalled it. Oh, neutral. Oh, Jesus. Oh boy, it gets soft right here, eh? I don't know if that's a road over that way. No, it's just a turnaround area. See if I can get turned around here. With this little bit of rain, it makes it so you don't dig down as deep in the soft stuff, which is nice. If you stop, you can get going fairly easy. I did tuck in my mirrors this time so I don't end up putting my knee on the double take. This is a generic double take though, and I think they're on sale right now on Amazon. I think I saw they're only 39 bucks. That's pretty good. Versus 130. Oh, it looks like it's getting a little softer out this way. It's definitely good practice. So like I said, I struggle in deep sand and stuff. The confidence level is just not there. I know it is that way for a lot of people, that sand is their nemesis or whatever. Kind of get your heart rate up, that's for sure. I didn't even let the air out of my tires this time. Boy, they burnt a lot of stuff, didn't they? Huh. Whoop. Let's go a little bit farther here. Yeah, and the deep ruts from the vehicles, when you get in those, and if you get pulled off to one side, you're going down, I'm pretty sure. So got to be careful. Boy, the grass has really grown. That's probably why it's just got so so overgrown with this grass. Whoa. Alright, I want to thank all my viewers and subscribers again for watching my videos. Give me thumbs ups, all the positive comments, much appreciated. I hope you enjoy the content, and feel free to leave a comment in the description below. And yeah, I got out and got a ride in, got my heart rate up, which is always good. And yeah, had a lot of fun in the sand. Like I said, it's packed down more so than normal, but it's still a good practice anyway. So yeah, this is MFR Off-Road Rider. See you on the next one. Later.